I forgot to update my drawing information, and I can't let this happen again. So last week, working on this project, I forgot to update the number of signs in my drawing. So to avoid this error, what I did was go to my drawing and use a handy command called count. So after I initiated the count command, I proceeded to pick the entire model space to analyze my drawing, and then proceeded to select my sign block. Once I did this, I realized my table with my sign schedule was located in paper space, not here in model space. So what I did then is go to my layout tab, and here I could insert the number of blocks as a field. So that's what I did, and proceeded to place my information over here, and then of course accepted it. And now I realized I had another problem, because I had this M text over here and my number of block field was separated. So what I did to fix this was get inside my field and simply copied it, and then proceeded to go inside my M text. This way I could simply paste my field. From now on, when removing or adding signs on my drawing, I can avoid errors by letting AutoCAD update my information as needed.